welcome back to the videos. If you guys are new, my name is Mike. Sorry if it's a little bit loud, but tonight we're gonna go for a little bit of a drive, and as you guys can probably tell, Kevin is here, but he's not busy washing his car. This is probably like the nicest car wash in my city. This car wash just makes the color of Kevin's wrap look so unreal. There's like purple, there's some yellow, green. It's crazy. It looks so good. Oh man. And to be honest, I wasn't a huge fan of color shifting wrap, but this car wash really does justice to the wrap because it's actually really good. I know the camera might not do it, but this car wash makes the wrap look so freaking good. Damn. At one point in time, this thing was white. It's gray now. Insane color. Oh, it's a satin finish, but when it's wet, it looks kind of glossy. And just look at that. Oh, it looks so good. Unreal. Insane color. Alright guys, so we just got to the meetup place, which is OSS. It's like a local speed shop per se, or like a car mod shop. There are some pretty cool cars over here. One just actually caught my eye. This is Toyota GT4. So this is like the Evo from Toyota back in like the 90s rally days. This car is so sick. And plus it's a two-door, which I love two-doors. And the fact that it's like an all-wheel drive turbo rally car and a 4-cylinder from Toyota. That's sick. I love that. And of course there's an Evo here and is that a Focus?
Fusion, maybe?
Fusion? Focus? Oh yeah, Fusion. Dude, it's so low! Holy shit! How does he has to be on air. Yeah, 100%. Yo bro, it's static bro. This is static bro.
I've never seen this car up though.
Really?
I don't know. I don't think so. There's no way. He wouldn't have a bumper right now.
The Evo though. Up in here. The Evo though. I miss my Evo. But I'll say I give it a couple months until I can take it out again. Maybe like April, May. Should be able to take it out. Pretty sick cars we have here, especially for winter. It's not something you see often. Like half an hour out. We're gonna grab something to eat, and then afterwards we're gonna go sliding, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to get some good footage for you guys. Although it is really dark, but I'm definitely we got a lot of headlights. Yeah, so we have the smart car here, and we have a bunch of really cool cars. There's a couple BMWs. I think there's an E46 M3. There's an M5. A bunch.
M5's gonna come right here.
Oh, where is he? Oh, there he is. Cool car. But yeah, there is a bunch of cool cars tonight, so I really want to get some good footage for you guys. Hopefully my camera doesn't die. Alright, so we got to the drift spot, but everything was blocked off. This is the same spot as you guys saw when Tanner messed up his wheel. So we have probably like 30 cars, 35 cars here, all willing to drift, but there's nowhere to drift because the lot is so small. Unless we all take turns, it's gonna take forever, and that's not cool, dude. Literally all these cars here, all willing to slide, but it's so tiny in there. Fucking cold. It's windy, it's snowy. There's a truck over there kind of sketching me out. I don't really know who that is. The plan is I'm gonna stand over there on this pole, and the white Ford Focus RS is gonna spin around me. We'll see how this works out. There's an M3 too. Oh, it looks like the M3 is getting so stuck. This Subaru actually gets super sideways. Oh. Oh, I think everyone's taking a breather. Oh, the S13 is trying to go. Go, little buddy. Alright, so right now these guys are attempting to tandem. Well, they were trying to, but the other one went over there. Pretty crazy for winter time, the amount of cars that we have. But jeez, it's fucking cold, dude. Hey guys, so before I end today's video, I just want to show you guys something pretty cool that I got in the mail from an avid supporter, one of you guys. He hand draws or he makes, I'm not too sure how he does it, but he makes like anime artwork and he sent some to me. I already opened it because I was super excited. I figured I'd show you guys. He makes artwork and he makes them into stickers. He kind of made me a custom one for Ariana and I really love it. So his brand is called King of the Woke. So this, if you guys are like into Pokemon or whatever, this is obviously Detective Pikachu. I think this one's one of my favorites. He looks so cute. And well, yeah, it's Detective Pikachu. And this is Ariana. How sick is that? He hand drew this, like he drew it like from scratch. And he made my car into like, well, Ariana. That's pretty sick. And he sent me a few other stuff. This is Spider-Man, a couple other ones. I think this is Naruto. And he also has like some awesome slaps. King of the Woke, Stay Woke, stuff like that. It's actually pretty cool stuff. Kevin's car is kind of in it. Not really, it's not really Kevin's car, but I mean, same kind of model. He sent me 3 Arianas, so I can have one on each, almost each corner, or I don't know, I think I might just put one for now. I don't want to have 3 of them on my car. And if you guys are Filipino, you guys know, if you're real, halo halo, you guys know that. So yeah, also some Dragon Ball Z stuff. This is his logo, Stay Woke. Pretty awesome stuff. If you guys want to go check him out, his Instagram is called King of the Woke. And he has a bunch of stuff on here too. Bunch of artwork. You can DM him if you want something custom for your car, something like mine. We kind of collabed on this. I told him what I wanted. I wanted like, yo, what if you make my car into like an anime like thing? So he kind of surprised me on it and it turned out really good. I really like it. And yeah, he's a supporter of the channel. He sent me a bunch of decals, so definitely go ahead and check him out. If you guys have like local shops and want to send me stuff and want a shout out on the channel, let me know. I'm always down to do it. So yeah, send me, here's his business card. And here's what it says at the back. Stay woke fam, enjoy the stickers, love the channel. It's pretty cool. I mean, like, I'm not an artistic guy. I kind of put whatever art that I can into the car. A lot easier for me. But the fact that he can like draw all of these, like especially this, I know there's no way he like didn't do this like by hand. This one's really cool too. This is the devil, or like what I think is the devil. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Annie Perfect Society. Peace out and make it happen.